Today, I will be discussing the surface area of sphere. And for our learning target, I can identify the surface area of a sphere. So let's have first a representation of a sphere. So we have here the Earth and a ball. So those are all sphere. So let us first define and describe a sphere. So we have here the parts of a sphere. So you can see the diameter, the center, the radius. So what is a sphere? So a sphere is a geometrical figure that is perfectly round, a three-dimensional and circular like a ball. That's why my example a while ago is a ball. Geometrically, a sphere is defined as the set of all the points equidistant from the single point in space and distance from an outer point to the center of the sphere is the radius. Okay, so those are the parts. And the formula for finding the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r squared. Okay, so that will be the formula. So please do take note of the formula for the surface area of sphere. So let us have our first example. So find the surface area of a sphere with a radius of 9 centimeters. So the first step is to write the formula of a sphere. So that will be 4 pi r squared. So we just simply need to substitute r or the radius by 9 centimeters. So that will be the surface area is equal to 4 pi 9 squared. So the second step is to square first 9. Follow the PEMDAS rule. So as we square 9, we multiply 9 by itself. So that will be 9 times 9. So 9 times 9 will have 81. So after that, that's the time that we will multiply it to 4. So that will be 324 pi centimeters squared. Okay? Pi is a non-terminating decimal. Okay, we cannot get the exact value of pi. We can just get its estimated value, which is approximately 3.14. But no need for us to multiply 324 by 3.14. So we will just set our final answer with pi so that it will be an exact number. But if you want to use 3.14 for pi, it's okay. So as you multiply 324 times 3.14, please do not use the equal sign. Just use the approximate value or use the approximate value sign. Okay? But if I were you, just simply use pi. Okay? So therefore, the surface area of the sphere with the radius of 9 centimeters is 324 pi centimeters squared. So let us proceed now to our second example. So looking at our second example, find the surface area of a sphere with diameter of 24 centimeters. Okay. Looking at our second example, the given is a diameter. But for the formula, we just need a radius. So what's the relationship of diameter and radius? So when we say radius, that is half of the diameter. So be careful, I'll repeat. When you say radius, that is half of the diameter. So therefore, the radius here will be the half of 24, which is 12. So substitute 4 pi times 12 squared. I'll repeat, why is it 12? Because we are getting the half of 24. And then proceed, just square 12. So 12 times 12, the answer is 144. And then multiply it to 4. So 144 times 4, you will have 576 pi centimeters squared. Okay, so just simply multiply. Don't forget the unit. I'll repeat, when you talk about the surface area, the unit is always square units. Next, for the third and last example, find the surface area of the given sphere. So looking at the sphere here, the given is a radius, this line, and the radius is 5 meters. So use the formula for the surface area of the sphere, which is 4 pi r squared, and then substitute the radius, which is 5 meters. So that will be 4 pi, 5 squared. And then multiply 5 by itself. So that will be 25 because that is 5 times 5 will have 25. And then multiply it to 4, so we'll have 100 pi meters squared. So that will be the final answer for the surface area of the given figure. That's it. Don't forget to check your Kuiper account because the seat work for this session or for this topic is already in your Kuiper account. Thank you so much, grade 7. Thanks for watching.